What's up, everyone? I hope you're having an amazing day. You're back at the Pac Mac. What do we got? We got the Crown Zenith tins. I already opened them, so you don't have to see all that. But I put the promo on top of the packs that came in that promo tin. So, in case you want to compare what pulls came from what, but it is all random, I think. But let's see if we can pull some bangers here. Okay, we'll take that. I'm still trying to get the Mewtwo Charizard card. I pulled it already once, but I sold it when the set first came out because cards are priced so high when the set first comes out. We got one hit. Come on. That's what I mean. Crown Zenith just be giving hits. Come on, can we pull a banger? I mean, those aren't bad, but we want to hit some gold or something. Heater. We got 2 more packs in the first 10. Execute. Okay, we got a textured energy. Not too bad. Last pack of the first 10. We got something. Okay, now that's the kind of card we're looking for. Like a banger, right? Not too bad. What we get? 3 hits. I guess 4 if you count the texture out of 5 packs. You really can't beat Crown Zenith. The pull rate is just crazy. But it did. I think it was a little bit too good, honestly. I mean, it's awesome to open, but investment wise, I mean, it killed the card value. The cards would have been, they wouldn't have plummeted, I don't think, so quickly. But I thought it was going to be a good set. But I mean, I think it'll be good for the future if you have like a bunch of product. Just hold on to it. Put it away. Try to forget about it. Don't do what I do and open everything. Alright, let's go to the next one. You just open it a little bit to make it easier. Okay, we got nada in our first one. Nothing in our second one. We gotta pull some heat here. Come on. We gotta hit at least. We got this light there in the front. Okay. Into a full art trainer card. We'll take that hit. Last pack of the second 10. Did we see something here? Up. Oh, don't tease me. Don't do it. Don't. Did we get? The Redicagus. It tricked me. I thought we finally got the Mew. But hey, that's not bad. We ended up coming back with a dope 3 hits out of 5 packs. Not bad. That's really good, actually. I mean, I'll take that all day. Let's go ahead and get into the last 10 here and see if we can beat it and get a hit in every pack. starting us out, and it already shut us down. We are not going to get a hit in every pack. Let's see if we can tie our best 10 so far. 4 out of 5 hits. Nope. Well, let's change it up again. Maybe we can pull the best card out of all of these. Come on. Can you do it for me, Crown Zenith? I know you can. Yesterday I opened up two Crown Zenith items, hit gold in each. Come on. Okay, there we go. We got the Mew and then a hollow. You don't seem to pull very many hollows from that set. Ouch. Last packing, we've gotten 1 hit. Can we just get a straight hit, a banger out of this one? Come on, hook it up. We got something here, and it's an EBV. We'll take it. That's 2 hits out of 5 packs, which isn't the worst, isn't the best, but it always could be worse, right? I've opened 10s where I've gotten 0 hits, and that's just ridiculous. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.